Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do here is a beam deflection calculation. So it says the beam is 136 inches, and that's important for me to know. That is going to be our length. It says has a base of 3 inches and a height of 9 inches. All right, so 3 inches by 9 inches. That's this dimension and this dimension here. Modulus of elasticity of 1,912,472 pounds per square inch. And it says if a 2,384 pound force is applied, determine the beam deflection round to 3 decimal places. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is transfer some of this information. So 3 inches base and 9 inches tall and 136 inches in length. Our formula for beam deflection is the delta max, and that's equal to the F times the L to the third power over 48 EI. Now, I know that this is my L, and nice, it's in inches already, so I don't need to convert it. I know that this is my force, and I know that this is my modulus of elasticity. So I can plug that in for E, that in for L, that in for F, but I still don't know what I is and what delta max is. I'm going to solve for delta max, and right now I'm going to solve for I. I is base times height to the third over 12. So 3 times 9 to the third over 12. Make sure you do that exponent first. 9 to the third power is 729 divided by 12. So times 3 is 2,187. And divide by 12 is 182.25 inches to the fourth power. So now I know what my I is. I'm going to plug it in along with everything else. So delta max is equal to 2,384 pounds times the length, 136 inches to the third power, divided by 48 times 1,912,472 pounds per inch squared, times I, which is 182.25 inches to the fourth power. All right, that's a lot to work through, so let's go one by one. 136 to the third power, so 2,384 pounds times 136 to the third power gives me 251.5456, and that's inches to the third power. And I'm going to just go ahead and multiply that right now, times 1912472 times 182.25, and that gives me oh, this is fun. It says e to the 10th. Everybody needs to know what that means. That means I'm going to move that decimal place 10 spaces to the right. So 67303. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. 0, 5, 0, 6, and I'll add one more 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Scientific notation. And what happened with my units down here? So those and those. So it became pounds times inches squared here, because 4 and 2, remainder 2. And obviously that's going to cancel with that, and it's going to just leave us with 1 inch. And the pounds are going to cancel as well. So let's go ahead and do 2384